everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you the easiest way to make English peas rice. A couple days ago, I went to Trader Joe's and saw the bag of English green peas. It looked so yummy and I could not resist not buying it because I want to eat English green pea rice. So I decided to show you how to make it. I used to wash rice with hand, but now I wash with whisk. Whisk is more comfortable and cleaner to wash rice, I think, and it works well. I recommend you to do this way. I wash rice until the water gets clear. When I visited my parents in Japan this summer, my mom's friend who has veggie garden brought her peas rice. I don't know what kind of peas it was. It was a brownish color, must be a summer peas. Green peas are usually spring peas. Japan has 4 seasons, so Japanese food is still very involved seasonally. Also, they sell peas with shell usually. It is the most significant difference that I know US food is generally without the shell, especially edamame. My girlfriend asked me if she can use frozen English green peas. Yes and no, I wouldn't recommend it. I will tell you why. This recipe is the easiest recipe for the English pea rice. But some recipes use the shell too. Because cook the shell make rice have more pea aroma and taste. So I think it's better to use raw English peas and also not frozen, because frozen usually already cooked one. So those are the reasons that I wouldn't recommend frozen one. And one more thing that I want to tell you that when you peel peas from shell, the peas are getting hard. So I think it's best if you can buy with shell, buy shell and a peel so that peas are still soft before you cook it. So this is how to make English pea rice. I hope you enjoy my video today. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.